everyone. So here is how to set up a trade on the BloFin exchange. So we're going to use our previous signal. This is our signal on Telegram. So you're going to be finding more of these signals on Telegram, and I'm going to place a trade right here. Okay, so once you download the BloFin platform, go ahead and sign up using the referral link which is on the description of this video. And once you get some token right here, what you need to do next is to go ahead and subscribe in our YouTube channel. Click on all in the notification bell to stay alerted whenever we post a new video. And don't forget to like this video. Liking our video is completely free, subscribing is completely free, and dropping some comment is also completely free. Like I said, you're going to get the signals right there on Telegram, so make sure you join us on Telegram to get our daily signals. So once you get your token right here, you're going to go to the transfer section that is here to make sure that your money is not on the funding. So you transfer your funds from the funding to the USDT. Right here it's on the USDT, that's why it's showing 0 right here. So as you can see, when you open it at the first place, it should be on the funding. So once you place it on the funding, transfer your USDT into the USDT like this. You click on max right here to just click on transfer. So once that is done, you're going to go back right here. You won't be seeing any funds on this funding, so just go to your funding right here. If it's on 0, which means that you have already done that. So what you need to do next is to go ahead and go to the features section that is here. So this is our current trade. I mean our previous trade, although like this signal right here was yesterday. So let me just show you our trade on BTC yesterday. Okay, so this was our previous trade on BTC, telling us that BTC will get to below $71,000. Previously it was on 73 as I placed the trade, and it was on 73, and we are getting to 71, which we hit yesterday. As you can see, we've already covered this trade, and I started up a personal trade just to check it out BTC out again, and I am still in profits right here in BTC. And this is also a previous trade which is on SUI. So let me just proceed and show you how this is done. So I'm going to be placing this BTC trade again. So this is the BTC for short, and the leverage is 50x cross RM, which is 35, and the take profit is 70.420. This is how it's come. So what you need to do whenever you see this is to go to your leverage, make sure that it's 50. So this is right here is the leverage, so make sure that it's 50. You can adjust it right here. Maybe if I set it on 70, go ahead. If I say that you should place it on 70, place it on 70. If I say place it on 50 or anything, so previously it was on 50, so I'm gonna place it on 50 like it's on the signal right there. So I'm gonna place it on 50. So I click on confirm. So the RM right here, which is the percentage, is right here on is on what? It's on 35. So you're gonna place this on 35. So you should know we're trading futures, so you are always on perpetual. So we're trading futures, so make sure that if you want to search any coin, for instance, if you just want to search any coin before you place this trade, just go to market and search on the coin. For instance, this is USD perpetual. Everything is on perpetual, so make sure it's on perpetual. So maybe this is BTC. As you can see, there are a lot of BTC right here. So go ahead and select perpetual. So this is BTC USD, so you're gonna click on it. Simple. Okay, so once you are on that already, let's go back to what we are doing right now. Okay, so this is 35, and this market right here tells you if you want your trades to start immediately, and my trades are starting up immediately. That is why you see it's currently on market. So you're gonna be placing your trades on market Okay, so but if you want to place it on limits, if you're already in trading, you will know about this. But if you are just a beginner, if you want to place it on limits, then you know that when the trade gets to a certain point before it will start trading. Okay, so you need to place your trade on market to start up the trade instantly. Okay, so once that is done, I told you is to place your to work with 30% right here. So if our coin is increasing, we're going to be earning 30% profit. But if it's decreasing, we're going to be taking out 30% loss. That is what this is all about. Okay, so it took 29, and the next is our TP and our SL. So okay, the TP right here is the take profit, which is the 70. If BTC gets to 70 thousand dollars, we can take our profit. That is what it means. So click on this TP section right here and go to the TP and click on 70. Okay, so 70.42 42420. Okay, 42, okay, 70.4. Just leave it like that and check if the market is on long or short. So this is BTC for short. You're going to be clicking on the short section. So once you click right here, okay, let me just show you. Once you click right here, you are placing your trade. I am not going to place this trade because I have already been done with it and I haven't analyzed this trade already. So if you just place on confirm, let me just show you for the purpose of this trade. Place on confirm, your trade is on. So that is it. Let me go to the open order. Okay, this is the open order right here. Trade right here, it's okay. This is the trade right here. I'm going to go ahead and cancel it. I didn't analyze the trade, so I'm going to be canceling it. So that is how simple it is to place your trade. So once your trade is on, you can just go ahead right here, click right here to check the trade setups and monitor your trades. So this is where you monitor your trades, and that is how it's done. Okay, I'm going to be dropping a lot of signals right there on the group, so don't forget to go ahead and subscribe on our YouTube channel. Click on all in the notification bell. Go ahead and like this video. Our video is free, and don't forget to follow us on Telegram for more updates. See you guys in the next video. I begin to